Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update an Outlook meeting without sending notification to attendees. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft Outlook account using your credentials. After logging in, wait for your inbox and email interface to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Once your email has loaded completely, you'll need to access your calendar. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar contains several icons for different Outlook features. Look for and click on the calendar icon to switch from your email view to your calendar view. Now that your calendar menu has opened, you'll see all your scheduled meetings and appointments displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting or appointment that you want to update. You can browse through different dates if needed to find the right event. Once you've found it, double-click on the meeting or appointment. This action will open the event details window where you can view all the information about that particular meeting. With the event window now open, you can proceed to make whatever updates you need. This could include changing the meeting time, adjusting the duration, modifying the description, updating the location, or making any other necessary changes to the meeting details. The key difference here is in how you save these changes. Instead of clicking the typical Send Update button, which would notify all attendees about the modifications, simply save the changes directly to your calendar. This allows you to update your personal calendar entry without triggering notification emails to everyone invited to the meeting. This feature is particularly useful when you need to add personal notes, adjust your own schedule, or make minor tweaks that don't require informing other participants. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Outlook meeting without sending any notifications to attendees. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.